Today we're going to look at creating receipts and thank you letters, but this time we're going to look at creating multiple versions of headers and footers. And to begin, let's look at the current default header and footer that we have. For the header, we have the header that we created earlier with the fields and the logo. And for the footer, we just have the standard Year Donations Tax Deductible message. Let's start with creating a new header. To create the multiple versions, you go to the main page and click on Notes. And let's create two versions. Let's create one for Winter Campaign. And the type, you choose the receipt and thank you header as the type. Let's paste what we had. And let's add a field, a date field. You'll see that the date field is actually available as one of the fields that you can recall. And it just sets it to the date today. And then for the message, let's just do thank you for your contribution to our winter campaign. And let's copy this because we're going to create one for another campaign. So let's save it. And then go back to notes, and then we'll create another one for the summer campaign. We'll paste it. And then this one will just be summer. Now we'll save it. So now we have a winter campaign and a summer campaign header. Now if we go back to the receipt and thank you page, if we were to actually create one, you'll see now that there's a drop down in the header section. We can switch from summer campaign to the winter campaign, or go back to the default. Okay, now let's work on the footer. So let's copy what we have and go to the main section, go to notes, create new note, type footer. Let's create one for standard donations. That's what we currently have. Well, let's put our signature. Now I'm going to put an image of my signature here. I don't have it here yet on the server. I click on upload, click on choose file. I do have it in my pictures right there. Click open and click on upload selected file. And I can double click on the signature. Click OK. Now it's there. So now let's copy this because we're going to create another version for in-kind donations. So save node, back to notes, create another one for in-kind donations. And we just have to change the wording here. In-kind donations are tax deductible at their present fair market value according to U.S. law. Then we save this. And now if we go back to the create receipt page, now we have our multiple headers. Let's do a winter campaign. And then under the footer, we have in-kind donations. We also have standard donations. Now, since this is an actual monetary donation, let's choose the standard donations footer, and let's create our receipt. And now if we click on Microsoft Word, there's our receipt. That's it.